Students, today we will learn about working with MS Paint. Microsoft Paint, frequently called Paint or MS Paint, is a simple graphics program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with different colors. Let me share an interesting fact with you. Dragging the Paint icon to the desktop will create a shortcut to open Paint. Let us understand the features of Paint. We can use Paint for creating, editing, and printing pictures. With this program, we can draw different objects like pictures, cartoons, maps, etc. We can also use Paint to view and edit scanned pictures. Students, let me tell you the steps of opening Paint. Click on Start. Choose All Apps. Click on Windows Accessories. Click on Paint Program. Now we shall learn about using tools. We can work in Paint with the help of tools present in the Tools and Shapes group on the Home tab. To select any shape, move the mouse pointer to the tool in the Shapes group and click on it. Once the tool is selected, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The pointer changes into cross symbol. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the direction where you want to draw the shape. Let us learn how to use Shapes tool. Select any shape in the Shapes group. For example, click on Oval Shape tool. Click on the drop-down arrow on the Size button to choose the line size, thickness. Click on Color 1 to choose a color for the outline and select yellow color. Click on the Color 2 to choose a color to fill the shape. Now select red color. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Outline option to change the line style. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Fill to choose the fill style. Move the pointer to the drawing area and drag to draw the oval shape. Students, let us know more. You can use Edit Colors to pick a new color. Mixing colors in MS Paint lets you choose the exact color that you want to use. Let me tell you the steps of using Select tool. The Select tool is used to select any part of the picture that we want to change. The Select button is present in the Image group on the Home tab. Clicking this button opens a drop-down menu. It provides two types of selection shape tools. Rectangular Selection tool. This tool selects the object in a rectangular form. Draw the Mickey Mouse as shown in the figure. Click on the Rectangular Selection tool. To select the object, place the mouse pointer just outside the area to be selected. Click and hold down the mouse button and drag around the outer boundary of the object. Release the mouse button when it is completely selected. Free-form Selection tool. The Free-form Selection tool is used to select the part of an image in an irregular shape. We can even drag the selected portion and place it on another location. Select the Free-form Selection tool. Place the pointer on the drawing area. Select the object, example, nose of the Mickey Mouse, by holding down the left mouse button and moving the pointer around the outer boundary of the object. Release the mouse button after selecting the object nose. Drag the nose towards left as shown in the figure. Now, click on the Undo button and observe the change. Note: Invert Selection tool is used to select the area or the object which has not been selected in the picture. So students, let us learn about moving an object. Draw the picture of a car in a new file and save it with the name car. Now select the drawing or any part of the drawing with the help of Select tool. A rectangle with dashed lines will appear around the picture as shown in the figure. Click on Cut option in the clipboard group on the Home tab. Observe that the selected picture will be removed from the screen. Students, note that once the drawing is made, you can make changes in it as desired, such as copying, deleting, moving, etc. These options are available on the Home tab. Let me tell you the steps of using Paste option. Click on Paste option. Now the object that you have cut will reappear on the top left corner of the drawing area. Place the mouse pointer on it and drag it to the desired location and release the mouse button. Students, the selection box can be removed by clicking outside the selected area. Now we shall talk about copying an object. Copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of an object. Select the drawing by using the Select tool. Select the Copy command on the Home tab. Click on Paste command in the clipboard group on the Home tab. A duplicate copy of the object appears on the top left corner of the drawing area. You can move the picture to any location. Students, let us know more. To clear all the objects from the drawing area, select all the objects and click on the Delete button. Let us learn how to draw different shapes. We can draw different shapes in Paint. The ready-made shapes are available in the Shapes group at Ribbon. Select any shape. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse. We can change the appearance of the ready-made shapes as per our need. Click on Outline option and change the outline style. If outline is not required, select No Outline in the Outline option. Click on Size option to change the line size, thickness of the outline. Click on Color 1 option to change the outline color and Color 2 to fill the shape. If you do not want to fill color in a shape, select Fill option and then select No Fill sub option from it. Alright students, if you want to reverse the last actions that you have performed, Undo command or Ctrl+Z is used. Redo command is used to reverse the effect of Undo command, or we can also use Ctrl+Y. Students, let us understand how to flip the picture. Flip means to rotate or turn the selected picture horizontally or vertically. Click on the Select tool and select the picture. Click on the Rotate option in the Image group on the Home tab. A list of options will be displayed for changing the rotation or flipping. Select the desired option and the same effect will be applied on that picture. Students, let us have a quick view. You can press Ctrl+R to add ruler to line up and measure the picture. We shall learn resizing or skewing the picture. The size of the picture can be increased or decreased vertically or horizontally. Select the drawing by covering its boundary using the Select tool. Select the Resize option in the Image group on the Home tab. Specify the resize in percentage or pixels and skew in degrees for both horizontal and vertical in the respective boxes according to your requirement. Click on OK. Now let's know more. If you want to focus on a particular part of a drawing, you can use Crop tool present in the Image group on the Home tab. Using this tool, you can crop or cut the image and resize it as required. Okay, students, let us find out opaque and transparent. Opaque. In MS Paint, by default, the background color of a text box is transparent. To change the background color of the text box, follow these steps. Select the Text tool from the Tools group on the Home tab. Choose the text box whose color you want to change. Click on the Opaque button present in the Background group. Select the Color To button from the Colors group and select the desired background color. You will observe that the selected color will reflect in your text box. Transparent. On selecting the transparent option, only the text color will be the same in the text box as is selected in Color 1 box. The background color of the text box will be transparent. Choose the text box where you want to apply the transparent effect. Select the transparent option from the background group. You will observe that the text will have the selected color, but the background color of the text box remains same as that of the drawing screen. Okay students, let us see how to zoom the picture. Zoom means to increase or decrease the view size of the object on the screen in any ratio. Draw a smiling face. Click on Zoom In option present on the View tab to increase the view size. Select the Zoom Out option on the View tab to decrease the view size. Click on Zoom to 100% tool. The picture will come back to normal size. Students, you can also increase or decrease the view size of the picture through the magnifier tool on the Home tab. The view size of the picture can be decreased or increased by clicking on the Decrease Zoom Level and Increase Zoom Level sliders respectively on the Zoom slider bar, which is placed on the status bar. Let us find out how to set a drawing as a desktop background. Once you have created a drawing in MS Paint, you can set it as a desktop background. Follow the given steps. Click on the File tab. Select the Set as Desktop Background option from the drop-down list. Select any one of the three options: Fill, Tile or Center from the Set as Desktop Background panel. Note: if you have not saved the file, MS Paint will ask you to save it first. Now we shall discuss about saving a drawing. It is important to save your drawing after finishing the work. Once it is saved, we can reuse it anytime. Click on the File tab. Select Save option from the drop-down menu. The Save As dialog box appears. Type the name of the file in the File Name box. Click on Save button. The file will be saved. Now click on Close button to close the Paint application. Students, the shortcut keys to create a new file, open an old file and save a file are Ctrl+N, Ctrl+O and Ctrl+S respectively. To close the Paint program, you can also press Alt+F4 key combination. Let me tell you the steps of opening an old drawing. If you want to work on any old drawing that you have saved, the first step will be to open that file. Click on the File tab and select Open option. The Open dialog box appears. Select the file name that you want to open from the list of files or type the file name in the File Name box. Click on Open button. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Paint is a graphics program to draw pictures and paint them with different colors. We can use Paint to view and edit the scanned pictures.